Meaning of incentivize.
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 Incentivize. The term incentivize refers to the process of providing a reward or incentive to encourage someone to undertake a specific action or behavior. It is a way of motivating individuals or groups to do something they might not otherwise do. The result of incentivizing can be positive or negative, depending on the nature of the reward or incentive involved. Positive incentives can lead to increased motivation, engagement, and loyalty, while negative incentives can create fear, resentment, and dissatisfaction. Overall, incentivizing is a powerful tool for shaping human behavior and has profound implications for business, politics, and society as a whole.